Stuck on Python syntax? Get help from your free tutor, Google Colab. Let's move the same code to Google Colab. Click this star. We'll start Gemini. We can ask Gemini to complete the code for us. A person rolls a dice. He will only stop until he gets a 6. We can choose to accept and run the code. Let's just accept and check the code. Looks correct, but I want Gemini to explain the code for me. You can see Gemini give us very detailed explanation, so we not only have the solution, we also know how the solution works. You can also create another code cell and just click this generate. Ask Gemini to generate this code for us. Within a second, you have the solution. But remember, always study the solution. Now I know how random works. I want to know how list works. And I want to know what are the important methods in a list. Again, we can come to Gemini. Show me the important methods for a list. Let's click accept and see what it generated for us. So create a list, append, extend, insert, remove. So you can follow this to learn everything about list. After this, you can create some exercises to check your knowledge of a list. Go to Gemini again. Create 5 coding exercise to test me about list. Let's accept. So here we have 5 exercises. Exercise 1, sum of list elements. Exercise 2, find the largest number. You can work on these exercises one by one, and again, ask Gemini to check if your solution is correct. That's how powerful Google Colab is with all the AI features. You can ask AI to generate code for you, explain the code, list down the important things about concept, and create exercises to test your knowledge. You don't need to switch to another window. Everything is within Google Colab. No setup, free access, learn as you code. Subscribe to my channel to learn Python faster. Happy coding!